Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady.
And I'm Jules. Today, we are looking at two words that both involve talking to people about things on your mind.
Things on your mind? What are the words, Jules?
Today, we are talking about question and concern. Learners often mix them up because you use them both when talking to a teacher, a boss, or a doctor.
Let us start with the first one. Question. A question is usually a noun, and it means a sentence you say to get information you do not have.
Exactly. A good rule of thumb is if you need a fact or an answer, you ask a question.
Let's imagine you are at a new restaurant and you want to order a big slice of chocolate cake.
But wait, you are highly allergic to peanuts, so you have to be very careful before you eat it.
So you call the waiter over and say, I have a question about the cake. Does it have peanuts in it?
Perfect. Now let's look at the second word, concern. A concern is also a noun, but it means a feeling of worry about something important to you.
Back to our restaurant story. The waiter says, I'm not sure about the peanuts. Let me check the kitchen.
You might tell the waiter, my concern is that even a small amount of peanuts will make me very sick.
A very common mistake is swapping them. A learner might say, I have a question that I will get sick.
That sounds strange in English. You ask a question to get an answer. You share a concern because you are worried.
Right. Side by side, it should be, I have a question about the ingredients, and I have a concern about my allergy.
Here's a memory trick. Question starts with Q, just like quiz. A quiz asks you for facts.
And concern starts with C, just like care. You have a concern about things you care or worry about.
Now it's your turn. We want you to practice right now in the comments below.
Write one question you have about learning English and one concern you have about your speaking skills.
You are all doing an amazing job. Keep practicing every day.
There's no question about it. Your English is getting better. See you next time on Mady English Practice.